Good morning, all of you. I'm a science teacher, and today I'm going to teach you Science IIT. From last few videos, we will continue with our fourth chapter of Science IIT, that is light, shadow, and reflection. In this chapter, we discussed on a famous scientist, Dr. C.V. Raman, light, source of light, luminous or non-luminous objects, materials on the basis of transparency, rectilinear motion of light and shadow. Pinhole camera we already discussed. Reflection of light we discussed. Today we continue with the same chapter from the next topic, mirrors. Okay, so our next topic is mirror. So what is mirror? Mirror we have in our house also. We are using mirror in our daily life. Mirror is a vast reflector. When we discussed about the reflection of light, so when we talk about the objects which reflect the lights, these type of objects we known as reflectors. So when we talk about the reflectors, mirror are the best reflectors, sorry. A good mirror must have the following features. It means the mirror which we use at our home and we use many other places also, they have some specific features. First one is it gives us maximum or the best reflection. Okay, and second one, it not absorbs any light. It reflect all rays of the light without absorbing it, and it should not transmit any light, and it is also should not transmit any light. Okay, when we talk about the types of the mirror, there are two types of mirror. First one is plane mirror and second one is spherical. So what do you mean by spherical? Spherical means approximately circular. Okay, so and spherical may also again divided into two categories. Spherical mirrors are of two types, convex mirror and concave mirror. And our first category is also there, plane mirror. So these three type of, one plane mirror and two spherical mirror, convex and concave, we discuss. There is the first one, plane mirror. When we talk about any mirror, it have two surface. First surface is polished for the reflection. This is the polished surface. We denote the polished surface by this type of structure. Okay, these dot lines show the polishing surface of the mirror. And the plane surface is known as reflecting surface. It is a reflecting surface. Okay, it is the plane mirror. Then spherical mirrors. So first one is concave mirror and second one is convex mirror. Both are opposite to each other. Okay, what is the difference between them? In concave mirror, its polishing surface is outer surface. Outer surface is polished, and inward surface is a reflecting surface in concave mirror. And in convex mirror, just opposite to the concave mirror, its inner surface polished and outer surface is a reflecting surface. Okay, so these two spherical mirrors are there. Okay, then every mirror form a image of object. So let's continue with the image of an object. Which type of image is formed by the plane mirror or by the concave mirror? So when we placed a lighted candle in front of a mirror. So what we see inside the mirror? We see the image of candle inside the mirror, which the size of the image is equal to the size of candle. Always form the same size image of same size equal to the object. Okay, and always image is formed inside the mirror at which distance is equal to the distance of object from the mirror. Suppose candle is placed from the mirror approx 1 meter distance. Okay, and the image is formed 1 meter inside the object, inside the mirror. So if I ask to you, what is the distance between a candle and its image? How much? 2 meter. If candle is placed in front of mirror at distance of 2 meter, so what is the distance between object and image? 4 meter, just double, because we know that image formed at equal distance to the object. Okay, it appears a similar candle has placed behind the mirror. Okay, the image is formed is same as the object. Okay, candle which appears in the mirror in its image. Okay, the image is formed on a mirror is seen inside it, we know that. And we place a screen. If we place a screen or any paper or sheet behind the mirror, in this case, can we get image of the candle on the screen? No. Why? Because mirror is polished on another side, so light is not transmit through it. So image is formed inside the mirror, not across the mirror or not on the screen. Okay, so these are called virtual image. This type of image is called virtual image. The image which we cannot get on the screen are called virtual image, like this. Okay, on the other hand, the image which we get on the screen, if we get image on the screen, in this case the image is called real image. Okay, so some characteristics of image are, first one is when image is formed in the mirror, image is formed by a plane mirror is always virtual because we cannot get on the screen. Erect means straight. Okay, and the same size of the object, same size of the object, जो object की size होगी वो ही image की size होगी. Okay, and in second point, distance of object, always the distance of object from the mirror is equal to the distance of image from the mirror. We are already discussed on it. And the next point, the image is laterally inverted. The image which formed in the mirror are laterally inverted. It means object has right hand side in this side, but in the image right side is in this side, so we called it lateral inversion. Okay, this means that upon being ourselves in the mirror, our left side appears as a right and vice versa. Vice versa means the opposite. Left side appears as right and right is appear as a left. So some uses of plane mirror are there. What are the uses? First one, plane mirror is used to looking glass. The plane mirror are used as a looking glass. We are using at home also, and in many showrooms and shops we see. Army persons and scouts use this plane mirror for the signaling. by reflecting of sunlight. Okay, mirrors are used to provide, and another use is mirror is used to provide false dimension to a small room. In many cases, when anyone want to sell the rooms or give they want to give the room on the rent, so buy they provide the pictures by the on the mirror image pictures they send, because by the mirror we uh, we produce false dimension of a small room as a large room. So the mirror image of a small gives, and another use is mirror image of a small space. Mirror image of a small space gives us a perception of double space. And in showcase, in the mirror is used, and in the showcase, two mirrors is placed parallel. Two mirrors are placed parallel to get the multiple images of the displayed article. Okay. And the next use, they are used in periscope and kaleidoscope. So we discussed in next video on the periscope and kaleidoscope. These are working on the basis of reflection of light. So mirror is used in periscope and kaleidoscope. They are used in optical instruments and device. It means the ophthalmologist, when you are going to check your eyes, so eye specialist have some instruments and devices which have mirror in it. Okay, they are also used in box type solar cooker. So there is a scientific another instrument, or we can say that any other a box is there which is used for the cooking on the basis of sunlight. Sunlight is come to the mirror, and this sunlight trap in the black box and cooked the food which we heated in the vessels. Okay, so it is used in solar cooker also to reflect the sunlights. So these are the uses of plane mirror, and it is very important topic. I hope you will understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Good luck.